Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a rain animation project. So let's start my today's video. First, I have already created a rain animation project folder, and in animation folder I have a background image. This is my background image, and this is my css file, this is my index file, and this is rain.png image. uh, you won't see this rain because this is a white color, so background white, for that you won't see this. So first I need to open my text editor, and after that copy in here. This is my HTML basic structure, and this is my CSS file, and this is CSS link. In body I will write a div class, main div, and div clause. In div I will again a div class, right? Div class will be definitely rain. This is enough for HTML file. Right now I will write CSS file. First I need to star, and you definitely know about it. Margin 0, padding will be definitely 0, and I will write main div. This is my class main div, and dot main div. I'll write now wide will definitely 100%, and height will be 100 ps, and background image um, url, and background dot let me check what is my png, background.png, ground.png. Let me check my what is the let me check my background image is showing. So this image is perfectly not show. For that it perfectly not show. For that I will create code right now. Background size will be 100%, and again 100%. So this is horizontally and vertically 100%. I will show my background image. Oh, perfect, my background image. Right now I will create my rain div. uh, Background. Again I will write css background image. Background image will be url and rain.png. This is my png file, and let me check about it. Where is my background? So rain url rain.png. Let me check. And height gst, height will be 100 bs, my image is showing. Let me check some dark that image. So linear, gradient, linear gradient will be RGBA 0.0.0.06, maybe. Again RGBA 0.0.0.6. Let me check right now. Oh, my rain is showing. So I will I'll text write animation. This is a animation project. For that I'll definitely animation create um, animation will be rain. This is a rain or 4 second linear infinity. Let me check. Oh no. After that, at the rate keyframes rain OM from the ground position 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 will 0% and again 0%. Let me check, and let me check. Now working. And 2 will the ground position, the ground will 30% and 100%. Let me check my, oh, my rain is running. So I need to dark background image first. Background image dark. Let me check 7. Oh, perfect. So this is my previous video